I'm Thomas Smith, and I'm here to share with you 5 amazing things that you don't know about your dishwasher. Number 1, a dishwasher actually uses very little water. You might think, oh, I shouldn't put stuff in the dishwasher, it's a waste. Actually, a Energy Star dishwasher only uses 3.5 gallons of water for the entire load. Even if it's a 2-hour load, it's only 3.5 gallons of water. A sink, like the one over there, uses 2 gallons a minute when you're washing dishes by hand. So it's so much better for the environment if you use your dishwasher versus hand washing. Didn't know that. Another thing, number 2, these are very energy efficient. Dishwashers, if you use them all year long, will only use about 270 kilowatt hours of electricity. Now, if you're paying something like 10 cents per kilowatt hour, you're talking like $30 for the whole year, or even less for your electricity. So even if I'm in California, where I am here, I'm paying 30 cents per kilowatt hour. It's like, $90 for the year to run my dishwasher. They're very energy efficient. So don't worry about that. Definitely just use it when you need to. Number 3, vinegar is a great thing to clean out your dishwasher. Didn't know that either. You can pour vinegar right in there and easily clean it out, deodorize. It's a nice natural way to do that. Number 4, this one really surprised me. So it's actually better, believe it or not, to put dirty dishes in a dishwasher than clean ones. If you're the sort of person who has to wipe everything off and wash it in the sink first, before you put your dish in the dishwasher, stop doing that. Just don't do that, because Cascade and a lot of other manufacturers say the way their enzymes and stuff in their dishwasher detergent works, it actually has to kind of stick to some food and activate to clean that stuff off. So it's actually better if you scrape the big stuff off and then stick it in there with the little food scraps still on there. Didn't know that. It's pretty strange and counterintuitive to me. Not sure I 100% believe that one, but that's what the manufacturers say. Stop, pre-rinsing your dishes. And then finally, you can actually wash other stuff. This is number 5. Number 5, you can wash other stuff in your dishwasher other than dishes. So people wash the glass globes from light fixtures, for example. I like to put my kids' Green Toys in there. If you got the Green Toys brand, you can wash those. Some people even wash baseball caps in the dishwasher. Check with the manufacturer before you do that. Make sure that it's not something that's excluded. Also be aware, stuff can melt because of the high heat. But if it's something that's pretty durable, you can actually wash stuff other than dishes. So pretty amazing 5 things that you might not know about your dishwasher.